Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm going to show you a review of the few garments. I've decided that it was not a good idea to shoot several videos to show you these clothes. First I'm going to show you these two dresses, and then I'm also going to show you a review of the sweatshirt. Have a look at this dress. It's made of the Valentino style silk fabric. The fabric is very strong. It's basically crepe fabric. It almost doesn't crumple. Have a look at this piece of fabric once again. I think that I've already showed it to you. We were really happy to make something of it. I loved the way the fabric looked in the roll. But now that I can see how it looks like in a garment, I'm absolutely happy. The dress is very beautiful. I think that it's absolutely amazing. The dress is of a very simple design. There was no need for it to be complicated, because the fabric is complicated enough itself. The dress is made of the Italian fabric of the very high quality. The flowers and the butterflies look absolutely amazing. As I've already said, this is Valentino style fabric. It's very beautiful. The design is very simple. The dress itself is straight, and the sleeves are pretty wide. The dress is lined. The lining is not stitched to the bottom. The center back seam ends with a slit and a button. There's no vent in the dress. As I've already said, it's very simple. Just imagine how comfortable this dress is. I'm sure that the customer will be satisfied with the result. Even though the design of the dress is very simple, it doesn't look simple due to the fact that the fabric is absolutely gorgeous. I'm very happy that the tailors of my fashion house made such an amazing dress. This is an amazing example of the fact that a garment made of the beautiful fabric doesn't have to be of the complicated design. We used one coupon of fabric for making this dress. The coupons can be of different sizes. As I've already said, the dress is lined. The lining is made of silk. Due to this fact, the dress is very light. I want you to have a close look at the fabric. The print is of a very high quality. There is one more dress I want to show you. This one isn't actually ready yet. It's ready for the second fitting. Some details are pinned. It's okay, don't pay attention to that. There is a polo style button stand here. Have a close look at it. The sleeves end with the cuffs. The dress is pretty wide. This is kind of a short dress. Have a close look here. The wrong side of the cuffs and the button stand are doubled with the silk. The fabric is very beautiful. The fabric has 100% cotton and micro-velvet in its structure. The fabric is very beautiful. The fabric is also pretty complicated. This is why there is no need to make garments of the complicated design of it. As I've already said, this is a shirt-style dress. You can wear such dress with a belt on the waist. This is a men's style collar. There is nothing complicated about this dress. Just imagine how comfortable it will be. The dress isn't lined. The fabric itself is strong enough. The sleeves are long. As I've already said, they end with the cuffs. They can be rolled up this way. The cuffs are doubled with the silk, just like the button stand. There's no need to add anything else here, not even pockets. We've tried making them. I've showed you the two dresses. One of them is ready, and the second one is prepared for the second fitting. I also want to show you one more garment. Have a look at it. This is kind of a sweater or a sweatshirt. The back of it is longer than the front. The customer is slimmer than the dummy is. As I've already said, the back is longer than the front. There are tiny slits in the side seams. We didn't want these parts to be baggy, so there are the chest darts here. These are the regular two-piece sleeves. The sleeves end with the cuffs. The cuffs are stitched to the main fabric. There is a placket on the neckline. The fabric is very beautiful. This is jersey fabric. It's very soft to the touch. I'm holding the same piece of fabric in my hands. As I've already said, it's very soft to the touch. You know that I don't like knitted fabrics. Anyway, we do have a cover stitch machine in my fashion house. We do make garments of the knitted fabrics. A customer's wish is a rule for us. People often ask me why I don't like knitted fabrics. I am a coat master. I love coat fabrics. I know how to work with them. I understand them. When it comes to working with the knitted fabrics, I don't know what to do. Anyway, that doesn't stop me from working with them. Today I showed you the 3 garments. This amazing dress, the short dress, and the sweatshirt. I'm glad that I've decided to show you all 3 garments in just one video. I want us to be different and beautiful. I want you to not only sew new garments, but also to learn to combine the garments you have in your wardrobes. Do not forget about the clothes you sew and buy. Try combining different clothes, shoes, accessories. This is one of the ways to be different and beautiful. That's all for today. Please, don't be lazy. Don't be afraid of experiments. Remember that practice makes perfect. My name is Paukshte. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.